over there. Got to go to Tenoshi, Kami, Golden Services. Let's fire the car up, warm it up. Gary.
What are you doing?
What's happening? Finally meeting.
I see the car and I was like, oh, there's loads of space, I'll bring it down.
Yeah. up with another R34 GTR. Another way to do it, isn't it?
Yeah, no.
That's why I need a cooling panel. I'm looking for a cooling panel.
They make them still, but they don't do them with the vents.
Okay.
So you can still buy the ARC ones.
They just figure that out.
Yeah, they reintroduced it, isn't it? For about £350 or something.
I don't know, I can't remember how much they were.
I like this.
Yeah, the Radleys. Yeah, it is a little bit. It's a little bit.
We reckon my one's lower.
We need to rip all the bits off.
What's
Just
that?
to send them to the zinc coaters.
Yeah,
So it takes you like fucking 45 minutes.
yeah.
Just all of the bolts and brackets, and you can literally unbolt. Like all of that, all of this stuff, everything fucking comes off. Like,
Okay, so you've done all of them, yeah?
like everything. Yeah, well, when we was redoing the front, I had everything. I mean, everything underneath it's done as well. Like all the
Yeah.
bolts underneath, everything's new. But like these, you can just take off. You know, every single little bracket. You can just whip everything off really quickly. Yeah. So even this stuff, you know what I mean? And I done, the bit underneath here. And you know how much it costs? It's like fucking 80 quid to zinc it, and then you just put it back on.
That's not a standard one, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Is that standard
Yeah,
one?
I bought 2 new ones.
Really? My one looks probably the same, yeah.
They just go manky after a while. don't they?
Yeah. You know what? 'Cause yours is a later one as well then, isn't it? Like mine.
It's 2001.
Yeah, because 2001 came with the silver plates. The other one, early one, came with the blue plates. T34 GTRs, rare to see. Nice, isn't it? This one? What do you think of these LEDs? The LED.
Upgraded wrestlers.
Yeah, I was thinking of getting them on my one.
So his one
Yeah. What do you think that lit?
The rims 19s.
Hey?
The rims are 19s.
18s. Like the mines part. Mines Kino. I don't know, ask him, I'm not sure if it is. He just put it on recently, the deco. This thing just there a Mines logo here somewhere?
No, this is Nismo one.
Was that Nismo?
Yeah. It is, yeah. It was like new old stuff.
Okay, and this is Mines, right?
Yeah, this one's got the bits
There you
on.
go. Yeah, I thought I saw the Mines logo. I saw it somewhere. Where did I see it?
Yeah, it's a shame, but I was trying to find a Mines one for ages, couldn't find it, and then this
Yeah.
Nismo one come up. So
Did you get these fitted recently?
they was on it when I got it.
Really?
All
The
rear
LEDs?
lights, all the rear lights, LEDs, everything was done. Yeah, it looks nice with the LEDs. They make such a, you know, the one we've got at the showroom,
Yeah.
the R1. It's
Yeah.
got the standard rear lamps.
Okay.
It just doesn't look right.
No, definitely did these
It
right.
just makes it look old, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah. All right, go on. Light switch. Where's the light switch on this?
It was a crazy running. We take a quick snap, I said.
Yes, Jason.
Video man. Video man.
Ever seen one of these ones?
I don't know. It's
Hybrid, isn't it? I think it's like got three electric engines.
What's it, NSX?
Yeah, it's new in it.
There was only a few comments I put like, oh, you got your light on your video. But the rest of them were like, it's so cool.
It's the sickest, like,
What did you think of the Yeah, that was later as well.
Coast, Jap.
But yeah, that's 197,000 miles.
Oh, that was kind of cool.
Civic. It's nice.
I'm prepared to crash. So get gap one, Alpine. Yeah, gap one. We'll get it. We've got one.
What's going on here? Watch the step.
Get rid of the map sensor. It does rip. As far as
Harry, get that one off the top.
Harry's, you're on my fucking birthday list, bro. It's my party. Thank you so much for doing that.
Will you hit it?
It's pretty solid to be fair. And look, you know what? I'll keep that on there forever as a memento to you. I'm not even joking, bro. Well, let's chop this
Fuck
lip.
here, there's two now. See here? There's two. Yeah. I see it ain't.
He's not doing 20.
Madman. Let's see if he comes back. What is it? Where's he taking it? To the motorway?
I do actually try my ego now.
Can you hear him? Can hear him.
I bet he's loving it, don't you?
R33 GTR coming in. Yeah?
Yeah, let me.
See, that's what it's about, isn't it?
Good flame, yeah?
Bruv. That's violent, bro. Violent.
Look at my eyebrows.
Violent, bro.
Yeah?
Crazy.
That's what I said, it goes on.
But the doors are heavy, isn't it? The doors are well heavy on this.
Can't even get out of it.
Bro, that's a small world, man.
What's
This
that?
guy's a YouTuber. You ever seen his videos? Monkey London.
Yeah, Monkey London. I heard of it, yeah.
He used to date Silla's mate.
You saying you going?
Yeah, come.
Alright. Yo, Tony, let's move.
Still average speed, was it?
You know, that's
Mad.
well, it's back in the garage. A mental night. You know, boys, it's a crazy one.
Good night, man.
Mad night,
Nice to
mad
sleep,
night.
man.